Nipho bong Karbi Content mate Ranbir Hanse pu YouTuber span Karbi Anglong Media Phan mate Pherangke tum aphan dia chohang ponangji kalite sodak pen kangsai paduponji pusi Karbi Anglong Digital News Forum tum pen pachini po.
I don't give a damn man ang tum phan hai Karbi Anglong Media muni phan ki nut phan ta ne respect pe hekthi pin bole gupi gam respect po respect ma phan bipi ge
Lason se Ranbir Hanse mate Karbi Content pu YouTuber claim bang phu pen Karbi Anglong long ki claim Pherangke ki do an phan respect ping tung te la pen ningkan kep nilong nang chari dunang lang pu kaning je puthak Karbi Anglong Pherangke tum phan dia chohang nang ji pusi ke hang padupon Athe Karbi Anglong long media mate Pherangke ki claim bang phi ke thek share lapen mass communication and journalism certificate kilong tangatum tado lapen mass communication and journalism certificate kilong tangatum aphan lapen kadukawe media claim bang atum aphan ni respect ping tungte lapen ningkan kepni long nang chali dunang lang pu kaning jeke chok chek piglo lapen Karbi Anglong long ki do an media phanangli dia chohang nang ji kalip lotangte nangli sodak pen kangsai padupon ji pusi KDNF ami phu ratisrong pharpen pachini po
social media jasemet Facebook long Karbi Content inu alangli menbang ke Ranbir Hanse alangli kopi koson pelone komata Pherangke pentong ka chepulone alangli inut pen ka chepu pen ajok Karbi Anglong angkang ke do an media tamhan ki puprui ke pa phopon prui Karbi Anglong media tamhan ke ne pheri dorde alang li kipu bangke gichok che tektik alam si pusini bi jom pon ma pulote inut pen jong se alang li chepo pulote alang li phanjong pen lada Karbi Anglong kang ke do an media tamhan kipu pon et nang ji alam ma siabe lapen halada alang li kipu pulote jong si kichipu alam bangke alang li ke inut ne pena kaprek ke Karbi Anglong long ke maduta ke thekawe pu alang se alang chipu do ahok na alang li thek ta hailo mene Karbi Content mate Ranbir Hanse alang li thek ut hailo pu wai phit sitame alang li penan par ke thek sitame Karbi Anglong long media ki klema dum dula hala tuma phans tame nang li respect ke pi bang ke nang so tame nona bang ke nang li la bang so a visual ke bunai ke create pe na jo nang li kwan si ke thek ma kwan si ke me ma kwan si ke charli kwan a talent ke do ma nang li kwan ang deng si ke le ma la so visual pen sinang likla Karbi Anglong ara da tumke nang li phachini ta Karbi Anglong arlo ke do an journalist a media tum phan thang alam ave pin pen ni thom pli angbong nang li dia cho hang vek nang ji pusini li tum pen nang li phanjong polo nang li labang so Karbi Content mate Ranbir Hanse nang li jong se Karbi Anglong media tum phan dia cho hang contact thi pulote nilitum kapregang deng stame nang liputak deng nang koko
lapen halapu Karbi Anglong Digital News Forum akong chunbang nathan rong hang pen kaning je ponke Karbi Anglong long nangli highly educated person pu nangli kachipu ke alia videtlo athe nangli jongse kapur hi do bang phu le putangte nangli YouTube Facebook lahai ki use pen kalikalang alam nangli ningje jedaji sitame nangli ta kapur hi ka viden abang phu pinak aporsi lapuson kaning jelo Lasi Karbi Anglong long Pherangke claim bang phu bang phia tu maphan ki juno daglam the aputhang dia chohang nangji pusi kaning ji padopon lapen jong si nangli ni phong bong dia chohang he pulutangte nangli phan sodak kangsai padoponang kokpu puta ningji pon
that he is he doesn't care about the reporters living in Karbi Anglong, those who are doing their duties or jobs in Karbi Anglong. He has no respect, he has no regard. He said like that. So this disrespectful attitude of that particular individual, I just want to remind him that many of us who are here are senior enough. We are into this profession for some of us are more than 15 years, 20 years. So I just want to remind him that we are senior enough and we have experienced a lot in this few journey of ours. I just want to remind Mr. Hanse that before spelling out on the media fraternity based in Karbi Anglong. I just want to let him know, or want to remind him to please understand, or please read, or go through the history of journalism in Karbi Anglong in particular. We are still in a nascent stage. We are in an early stage. We are in a learning process. We are still a far way to go. And this is what I would like to request you also, that don't brag. It doesn't fit you. You may be a very highly qualified person, but don't brag. This is very, very unprofessional, and it's very attitudinal. This is what I would like to say. And the last thing that I would like to request you is that please make an unconditional apology. This is what I would like to request from you.
News Report, Karbi Anglong Live.